I'm here with Sakshi. Today I'm doing a favorites video. I know I haven't done one of these in the longest time ever, but I had a few favorites in the month of January which I really wanted to talk about. So here I am doing a favorites video. So let's just get right into the video. The first category is music. If you don't know what a favorites video are, first I'm just going to be talking about all the favorites of this month, that is the month of January. And yeah, so starting off with music. You know I'm a die-hard Ed Sheeran fan. I'm sure SMU family knows that I'm a die-hard fan of Ed Sheeran, and he released his new two singles, Shape of You and Castle on the Hill. Crazy. I'm obsessing over Shape of You. Both Castle on the Hill and Shape of You, but a little more towards Shape of You. And John Mayer also released few of his new songs, out of which three are particularly my favorite. The first one being Changing, second is Moving On and Getting Over, and third is You're Gonna Live Forever in Me. I think that's what it's called. Next favorite is, because I have a lot of music favorite, is a live performance by Ed Sheeran and Beyonce, and oh my god.
I've been drinking. I get filthy when I liquor get up in me.
Two legends coming together to perform, and I don't know why I didn't see the video before. They performed Drunk in Love together, and it is, I'm so passionate about it. So my next category of favorites is beauty. So I have one particular beauty skincare product that I really liked in the month of January. The number 7 Lift and Illuminate Triple Action Serum, and I use this at night before I put on my moisturizer. I've seen a visible difference in my skin. It's become lighter, my acne scars have become lighter, and it's just a good product. And I'm expecting more out of this product. It's not been a very long time since I've used this product, but even in this short amount of time, which is barely 1 or 2 months, I can see visible difference. So I think I'm going to continue using this product. Next, a makeup favorite is hands down one product that is my legit favorite makeup product of all times. I know I haven't used like a bunch of makeup. I'm not those makeup gurus or sort of a person. I hardly know how to do a lot of makeup, but this one product has stolen my heart. I'm so passionate about this product. It is the Benetton by Benefit, and you can already see I've consumed like more than half of the bottle. It's almost over, and I cannot rave more about this product because it is pure genius. I'm the kind of a person who does not put like apply foundation and blush on and all of these products on my skin on an everyday basis. I just apply makeup whenever I have to go for an event or a party or I have to film a video, and other than that, when I'm going to college, I avoid using a lot of makeup. And this product literally changed my life. As it is in winters, I remain red all the time, almost all the time, but when I'm not, I just put on this, and it makes so much of a difference. It makes me look a lot more alive, you know. It gives such a beautiful color to my cheeks, and it's very good. You guys need to try this product. Next new favorite category is my favorite viewer. Okay, this is not to prioritize or make any specific viewer or subscriber feel special. Of course, I want to make each one of you feel special, but this is just my token of appreciation and love for all the support that you guys have given me. And I see everything. I see all of your comments on all of my Instagram posts or Snapchat, or you sending me messages, or you appreciating me in general. I see all of that, and I really, from the bottom core of my heart, appreciate it, and thank you so much for it. I don't know if I deserve it or not, but the fact that you guys are liking the content that I'm posting, it just makes all the difference to me, and thank you for everything that you've done. So these three people are Momita. She is a blogger, and her blog is called Way to My Closet. Thank you for all the support you've given me, Momita. I really love you. Next is Tanya Gupta. She is a Snapchat follower, and she wrote such a nice message to me a little while ago, and just struck my mind. And this is the reason why I do what I do, because you guys make it all worth it. You make all the effort, all the hard work worth it, and I'm so grateful for that. And third is Aarti Singh. Aarti, you have been such a good supporter of the SMU family, and thank you. And this doesn't end here. I'm going to be mentioning 3 subscribers in every favorites video every time that I post a favorites video. So please do not feel bad if I haven't mentioned your name. Do appreciate each and every person who clicked the subscribe button, or who clicked this video, or who clicked any other video of mine. It's just I appreciate everybody in this category, which is food. I've been obsessed with papaya salad. So my friends are sick and tired of listening that I want to have papaya salad every time I go out. Like that's the only thing that I want to have. I'm obsessed with it. Papaya salad is so good. Haven't you tried it? It's just the best salad in the world. It's got peanuts, for Christ's sake, and who doesn't like peanuts? I mean, everybody likes peanuts, and I'm not a papaya fan, but apparently papaya salad is the best thing. So the next favorite category, which is my favorite YouTube videos. If you guys follow me on Instagram and Snapchat and follow the Insta stories and Snapchat stories, you would know, which if you don't, you have all the reasons to go follow me. And other than that, you would know that I'm obsessed with Kyle Hanagami.
I go, me and my friends at the table doing shots, tripping fast, and then we talk.
He's a choreographer who posts the most amazing choreographies, the most amazing videos ever. He generally doesn't perform in his videos, but his dancers are everything. That video got a lot of love from people, and that video apparently went viral or something. You guys need to see the video if you haven't seen it already. The lead dancer of the first sequence, Hailey Fitzgerald, is my absolute favorite dancer. She is the goddess. She's the queen. Yes, queen. I just wanted to say this. Anyways, I'm gonna leave it in the description box below for you guys to see. And that's all for my favorites. No, it's not. Fashion. Yes. How can I forget fashion? Fashion. So the one thing that I've been loving in the month of January is an oversized coat. So this coat that I got from Tommy Hilfiger is the bomb. I've been wearing it continuously, actually the entire winter season. And I also got these pair of boots from Forever 21 in the month of January. And I've been wearing them constantly since the time I bought them. They're such good quality. I was actually surprised that I got these pair of boots in Forever 21, because generally the material isn't that nice, the quality isn't that nice, but this is perfect. Like, I don't have any complaints. Other than that, my next favorite is a jewelry favorite actually, and this is the necklace that I'm wearing right now. It's got SMU written on it. A friend gifted it to me, and it is the best piece of jewelry that I own right now because of the fact that SMU is written on it, and SMU is the closest thing to my heart. You know SMU is mine. So SMU stands for Style Me Up, and also SMU the shop, which is the online portal shop that I own. If you guys don't know about it already, the details will be in the description box below. You guys can check it out, and it's just I love this. That's it. So that's it for my video. I hope that you guys loved watching it. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel. If you're watching my face for the very first time, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, because I would really appreciate that. And as soon as we reach 6,000 subscribers, I'm sure to hold a giveaway. So let's get on to 6,000 very soon. And also comment in the comment section below what videos would you like to see next coming from me. I'm going to be posting a new video every Monday, so make sure to leave your video requests in the comment section below. And that's it. Make sure that you stay happy, make sure you stay positive, and you spread kindness, which is very important. Those are the only two principles that you need to apply in your life, and you'll be sorted. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye bye.
You miss me? I miss all of y'all. All y'all girls standing.